Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both apps ready. Open Zoom and the specific PowerPoint file. Make sure you are the host or co-host so you can share. Once done, set PowerPoint to present in full screen using slideshow settings because that preserves animations and timings. At the same time, prepare Zoom's share dialog. Check share computer sound and optimize for video clip. This prevents audio dropouts and keeps video smooth. It's the one setup that makes everything reliable before you begin. You now share the actual slideshow window, not the editor. Click Share Screen in Zoom and select the PowerPoint slideshow or the Presenter View window if you need notes. If you use Presenter View, make sure you have one monitor for notes and one for audience, or use Alt+Tab carefully so you don't expose notes. Use Zoom's Annotate only when necessary. It can distract. Once shared, ask someone to monitor chat or assign a co-host so you can focus on pacing and timing. You finish by stopping the share and ending the meeting when everyone has left. If you need a copy, start recording before you share, choose local or cloud and confirm the recording indicator is on. When ending, deliver final remarks, then stop share and end meeting for all. If anything goes wrong, audio lag, frozen slides, first toggle the optimize for video clip setting off and on, lower video quality in Zoom, or restart your screen share. These quick fixes resolve most issues immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.